I'm back. I have another appliance for the truck. I'm trying to build up my artillery so I can be versatile at lunchtime. I think this will be a great appliance for a local home daily truck driver who does not have access to a microwave. It'd be something good to keep you from spending money. You can bring home cooked meals to work with you and save while you're doing it. I got this this little portable crock pot. It's a what is it? It's a portable electric lunchbox is what they call it. It's 20 ounces. I got it off of Amazon. It was like 34 bucks, like $34.99, something like that. All right, my little unboxing. Got the owner's manual. This is what the portable crock pot looks like. I got it in the color flat blue. The lids and this inner liner is dishwasher safe. You keep this part dry. It has a detachable plug. So I was thinking that it had an adapter for the lighter port in the vehicle, so I have to get me an adapter so that I can use it. All right, so this is the container. So this is dishwasher safe. As well as this other lid, and it's leak proof, so I'll be able to put like soups, different types of soups, and chili, spaghetti, nachos, like I was gonna say taco, but not taco, but dips and things of that nature. I can take and bring them to work with me and have, you know, different ways of preparing my lunch. So I figured I would share this little find, which is going to be used as a essential while I am in the truck. And again, I need to get a adapter for the plug so that I'll be able to plug it in, and use it for what it's used for, what I want to use it for. They say it's good for, I saw vehicle in the description, home or office. I guess like when you go on camping trips and things like that. I don't know why I'm having a hard time putting this top on here, but nonetheless. Anyway, this is where the plug plugs into. The plug is detachable. I really don't want to take it off, but I'll take it off. You can leave it plugged up, or you can unattach the plug for a more sleek look in your kitchen or wherever you store your appliances. I figured I would show you another truck driver essential. If you like what I do here on my channel, give me a big thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Until the next time we meet, Later.